story. Let's all welcome Mr. Alray Ubod. Thank you, guys.
Max, morning!
Morning!
Okay, I guess one ako punchline. Yun na ako daan. No, you know what, I'd just like to share. I just came from a wedding of a dear friend. And I'm really glad I was able to attend that. You know, to share, you get to experience special moments with someone. Because you know what, forgive me if I'm getting emotional. Wala nito yun. You know, just like to share to you because last July, last July lang, I was experiencing, alam mo to some extent na I was ridden. Because I was already experiencing kanang gouty arthritis at the age of 21. And then, for someone to experience gouty arthritis at the age of 21, it wouldn't cross your mind na magka-gout mo at that age.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
I was acquainted with allopurinol, usa na sa tambal, and guess what guys, allergic o anak. Imagine na tambal sa imong sakit, allergic ka. Ang ibuli, gihatag lain colchicine. Kung mo kailangan ng colchicine, the better. Mas maayo kung mo kailangan. Kung kailangan mo na, ay nalang yun. So, pagting loora, magkasuka-suka ka, kalibanga. Guys, last July yun, every day, sakit akong tiil permi. I've been absent every now and then. Magtakiang ko, maglisod ko, klakaw, puruisyo ko sa balay. Imagine na lang na. And then, and I'm very thankful na wala di ko undangin sa akong sponsor to invite, to even test na lang, to even listen, to attend this orientation. Because if I did not attend this orientation, wag ko kipaw, asa ko karon.
Yes.
Siguro napapos balay. Or maybe 2 years, 10 years from now, napapakakoy tiil ka na, wag ko kipaw, anak. Pero guys, I'm really glad na for why I'm using Max GXL. Aside na alleviate ako gouty arthritis, in fact, I'm not even thankful for that alone. Ang nabalik yun sa Max GXL sa ako is, kanabitong outlook positive in life. Kanabitong we all deserve to live a quality life. Kana guys, dako kay nakasalamat ako ng Max GXL. And you know what? Please, nalang yun, do not wait for things to get worse. Because prevention, guys, will always be better than cure. Thank you. And